Alright, let's see what happens. So what are you guys doing?
Oh.
What?
No.
Yes. Not really. I don't know what you were talking about, but I want to see what you're doing. So what are you doing?
We're making a cell.
Okay, so
It's a plant cell.
Plant cell.
Exactly.
You have chloroplasts there, obviously, but you also have mitochondria, because you guys are supposed to do mitochondria as one of your groups, right? So I asked you to tell me about the endosymbiosis. Did you look that up?
Yeah.
All right.
She did.
So is one of your facts, tell me about the DNA and the mitochondria versus the nucleus.
It's different.
It's different. All right. What does that mean?
The nucleus controls like the whole cell,
Okay.
and then the mitochondria controls the whole.
Okay. So there's this notion called the endosymbiosis theory, which is that chloroplasts and mitochondria once were separate cells. All right. And it's the evolution of eukaryotic cells, and we're going to deal with that later. But that's one of the things that you guys have mentioned. Is this a distraction? No. All right. Don't forget, you gotta. I want to show a blown-up chloroplast off on the side.
But chloroplasts aren't one of our things.
Oh, you don't have chloroplasts, so you need a blown-up mitochondria.
Yeah.
Okay. Zoom in. I want to see that inner and outer matrix. All right. Real quick. Can you see it in the screen? Because one time I did it and I cut everyone's head off, which they were okay with it.
Can you see it? No, go up a bit. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's. So what else did I tell you guys? The vesicles?
Who's afternoon?
Yes. Okay. So.
My hand.
All right. Okay. So here's the deal. When you guys look over here, you see this, the endomembrane system. All right. Now, in your poster, I want to see going from the nucleus all the way outside the cell membrane. So, see their little red lines? I want that demonstrated on your poster. Okay? I'm going to go talk with other groups, talk about it, and I'll be right back. Not right now. So, do you guys have a blown up cell membrane? What else do you guys have to do?
We need to do cytoplasm. A blown up thing. Over here, yeah.
Alright, and you guys, no, you don't really need to do, well, the cytoplasm, but the cell membrane. Now, what else about the cell membrane do you need to make sure you emphasize? I think I told you this last time.
Passive transport, active transport, osmosis, and diffusion.
Did you say something about semi-permeable?
Yeah.
Yeah, permeability.
Alright, so permeability, semi-permeable. It allows certain things in, and it keeps certain things out. So, when you guys write your questions, you want to make sure you mention those things. Those are good questions. So I'm actually going to have you write more than 2 questions for cell membrane, because a lot of that you're going to see on the next test. And so with that, which you don't have to write. Why don't you guys don't do as many questions on cytoplasm? Focus on the other 2. Because you're supposed to do 6 total. Do 1 on cytoplasm and more on cell membrane. All right, good.
Let's make our questions.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so you guys have an interesting task because you have the vacuole, right?
Yeah.
So what do you need to do with the vacuole to show the other groups?
3 different cells because of the 3 different vacuoles.
All right. What are the 3 different vacuoles?
Central.
What organism we associate that with?
Central vacuole is a plant cell.
Okay.
And animal cell, there's just the vacuole.
Okay.
And the contractile vacuole
And the
paramecium.
Paramecium, yes. Okay.
And that's what Kevin's right here.
All right. So I'm going to put this back on here and walk around. Yes, I am.
When would you like us to write the quiz down?
Quiz is going to be on the green sheet. That's where your answer sheets for the other quizzes, okay? I think we need to start doing that now. All right, so guys, here we go, really quickly. All right, so you guys, good responses so far. What I need to see next is you got to divide the labor. You got groups of 3 and 4, or some 5. the green sheets of paper, you're going to put, again, that's where you're writing your quiz questions. Okay? Then, what you need to do is send someone up here to get your pink sheets. You need 6 of these. So someone can start filling out, this is actually what we're going to call your student answer sheet. Alright? This is what you're going to use to answer the other proofs. Alright? So that's pretty much where we are now. We're making good time. I want us to be able to have posters done and start working the questions probably in the next 15 minutes. So you're going to have to divide the labor between your group members.
Wait, in the next 15 minutes? Wait, we're doing what? Audrey, say hi.
Okay. Next 15 minutes where you're splitting up, like someone starts working on the questions while you're finishing up the poster stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come, we're not done coloring yet.
Multitask. You guys can do this. All right, Ronan, you're the last one to be videoed. Tell us what you're doing, Ronan. You're picking up papers up to do what?
Dang it.
Okay.